to Smith, so I'm going to buy Shadow the Hedgehog. Come on.
Go.
Look who I found! It's Shadow! The plush! Hey guys, if you have found me, I will crush you down and beat you to my hind knees. I want to fight him. Ah!
Go.
It's Shadow! Look at him! I'll meet you in the car. Bye! I'll see.
Hey, just the telephone, Maddie.
Hi, just this, please.
Would you like your bag? Are you okay?
I think I'll be okay.
That's $14.99.
There you go.
Thank you.
Do you know the big orange thing?
Bye.
She's lost them. Do you know the massive one?
I haven't.
Really hard.
Wait, sorry. Right. Whoa. Right, that was clean. There we go. Look at him. Right, let's get him out. And here's your boy. Hold up. Oh. What? So. Yes. Alright. Right. Let me just put him in a cool pose. He looks. I think. Wait, how much articulation does it have? 22 points of articulation. That is cool. So, here's the articulation. His head swivels. His head goes left. Then he has arms. The bend. No way! It has butterfly joints. It goes. I don't know why that won't open, but this one does. If I just, yeah, there we go. And then the swivel here. Swivel both here, I think. And I think there's a swivel. Oh no, there isn't a swivel except for these. Then we have a knee there. We have a knee there. See? And then you can do the splits if you want him to. I don't know why. Then I think this is much more better than the prime ones, because all they could go was this far. And that was ridiculous. But I think I can put him in a cool pose. Like, like this. Look at this savage. I think he would be a better like villain for this. Let's see who else you can buy. I'm gonna get Sonic someday. Tails. The reason why I am not going to buy him is because his face is creepy. Robotnik. He is not fat. He's just not fat. Doesn't have the same articulation. It is 12 points. And I think this is just the bestest figure in the world. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys, Hedgehog fans, in the next video. Bye!